Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Digits. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get into it. First, open the Digit app and log into your account on the website, or you can choose to do so on the mobile app. And once you're logged in, from the dashboard, just locate your savings balance and tap on withdraw. You're going to be asked to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that you can withdraw any amount up to your available balance. After entering the amount, confirm your withdrawal request. Digit will transfer the money back to your linked account, usually within 1 or 2 business days. If you need money immediately, Digit also offers an instant withdrawal option for a small fee. You can check your app for details. And that's it. Withdrawing money from Digit is hassle-free and puts your savings right back where you need them. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.